Although it is commonly misunderstood, low blood pressure can really be quite dangerous to one's health. Hypotension is defined as a blood pressure reading of less than 90/60 mm Hg by medical professionals. Here are 3 warning signs that the blood pressure is dangerously low, along with some foods that may help raise it. In order to recognize low blood pressure early, it is crucial to be familiar with its signs. Signs of low blood pressure: exhaustion or fatigue. Low blood pressure, which prevents blood from flowing normally throughout the body, is a common cause of fatigue and lethargy. As soon as you become aware of this symptom, please schedule an appointment with a doctor so that they may help you identify its source. Fainting or the inability to keep from passing out. Low blood pressure is a common cause of fainting in the general population. The reason for this issue is the decrease in blood pressure, which prevents the heart from pumping enough blood to the brain. However, this sign is more common among the elderly. A difficulty concentrating on a single task. One of the most common signs of hypotension is cognitive impairment, which must be taken seriously and not ignored. However, dizziness isn't the only symptom of hypotension. Nausea and blurred vision are also common. Here is a list of foods that have been shown to increase blood pressure in some people who suffer from low blood pressure. Caffeine. Caffeine in coffee and other caffeinated beverages and meals may stimulate the cardiovascular system and raise heart rate, both of which can elevate blood pressure. Patients tested for hypotension are generally encouraged to drink coffee regularly. Water. Dehydration has systemic effects that can be felt throughout the body. Lack of enough water intake can lead to a drop in blood volume and, in turn, blood pressure. Preventing low blood pressure by staying hydrated has been shown to be effective. Folate-rich food items. There is a correlation between low blood pressure and a lack of folate in the diet. Beans, grapefruits, eggs, as well as liver all have high folate content, thus eating them can help boost your folate levels. Salty foods. Intake of salty foods has been linked to hypertension. If you're hypotensive and you eat a lot of salty food, you need to check your blood pressure regularly so you don't end up hypertension. Canned soup and smoked salmon are just 2 examples of the various salty foods available.